Hello again and welcome back to another session of Commerce class with me Suman Rathore. Students, we all know that there are five basic functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Now, organizing, being the second most important function of management, is basically concerned with bringing together human and physical resources and establishing a relationship among them so as to achieve the goals of the organization. Or we can say that organizing is a group activity which consists of assigning duty, granting authority, fixing responsibility and coordinating the efforts. Now, the term organizing is often used in two different senses. First, organizing as a structure, and second, organizing as a process. Now, organizing as a structure enterprise की various position में एक pattern establish करता है on the basis of authority and responsibility for the smooth functioning of the enterprise. And organizing as a process enterprise की various activities को एक logical way में arrange करता है so that individual efforts can be coordinated with the group efforts to achieve the goals of the organization. Now, the process of organizing consists of various steps. Like first is identification and division of work. The first step in the process of organizing involves identifying and dividing the total work to be done into small and manageable activities so that duplication of efforts and resources can be avoided. Now, division of work इसलिए भी ज़रूरी हो जाता है क्योंकि एक person सारे काम पूरी तरह से नहीं कर सकता. So, it makes the work systematic and also brings specialization, which will ultimately improve the efficiency of the firm. Now, second is departmentalization. Now, the various jobs created at the first stage are classified into specified categories, or we can say that identical functions are grouped into larger units called departments, like production department, sales department, finance department, etc. So basically सारे related jobs को club करके एक department या division बना दिया जाता है और ये departmentalization किसी भी basis पे हो सकता है, like it can be done on the basis of functions or on the basis of processes or maybe on the basis of different geographies. Next is assigning duties. Now, after classifying and grouping of organizational activities into various jobs, they are assigned to different employees according to their competence and skills. Or we can say that the work must be assigned to those who are best fitted to perform it well. इससे न सिर्फ confusion eliminate होता है बल्कि it also helps in bringing out the best performance. So we can say that assignment of duties is also helpful in avoiding misunderstanding, duplication of work and overlapping of work. Next is establishing authority and responsibility. Now, mere allocation of work is not enough. So at this stage, authority-responsibility relationship is established so that each individual or employee may know from whom he has to take orders and to whom he is accountable or answerable. So यहाँ पे basically एक chain of command establish की जाती है from top management to the operative levels. And last is coordination of efforts. Now, coordination is concerned with ensuring that the work of one employee contributes to the work of other employees. और क्योंकि enterprise में बहुत सारे employees various departments और division में काम करते हैं, तो it becomes very essential that the efforts of each employee or department is coordinated and directed towards the successful accomplishment of business objectives. So now we can say that organizing is the sum total of all the activities that we have discussed just now, like identification and division of work, departmentalization, then assigning duties, fixing authority and responsibility, and coordinating the efforts so as to achieve the goals of the organization. That's all for today. Thanks for staying in tune and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and goodbye for now.